Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to grow your YouTube channel using AI short video, so this video for you. As a new YouTuber, we don't have enough subscribers and views. Okay, so that's why short video is the king. Not only YouTube, also you can grow your TikTok channel and Instagram as well. Because the same content, that's mean the same AI short video, you can upload in your YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and wherever you want to grow. That's been the social media platform. It's okay to upload and okay to create. That's it. And also, if you want to make money on YouTube, so you must have to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And the fastest way to get subscribers, short video. Today we are living in the AI, so AI can create any kind of videos like short videos. So if you are new in this channel, so watch my other videos like how you can generate long videos, short videos, and the reels video, and different kind of AI related videos. So if you found this video is helpful, please comment below and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started. Today we'll be creating a fitness related videos. That's been fitness AI short video. So if you want to grow your fitness YouTube channel like gymnasium, yoga, and different kind of health and nutrition and the tips and tricks fitness, okay, so this video gonna help you a lot. Creating videos, it's really time consuming and of course costly, but AI can help you to create outstanding videos. Okay, so I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can create fitness videos. All right, today we'll be using the tools. It's called vid.io. maybe sounds very familiar. All right, so I have so many tutorials on vid.io and I'm really fan of it. If you're new vid.io, so click on sign up button and sign up with your Gmail account, also Apple and Microsoft. Okay, so click on sign up with Google. All right, here you can see I have multiple Gmail accounts that log in. So just choose your Gmail account. So if you have already an account, so click on login button, and the same process, click on sign in with Google account. And then when you logged in your account, you will see this dashboard, and it's here you can see the free plan. Also you can use free, no problem. Just problem is watermark, but it's not a big deal as a new creator. Okay, also you can upgrade this plan. Okay, I'm going to show later, no problem. So create your first video. Here you can see create videos, and also you can record your video, create avatar video, and also you can create clips. It's a beta version. Okay, so don't worry, just click on create project. So let's make a video. So if you have already a video that you want to editing also and clipping, so you can upload here. Also you can recording, but we don't need it at all. We are just going to click on start with AI. It's time to write something here. That's mean what kind of videos do you want to produce or generate. Okay, in this tutorial we're going to create fitness related different kind of tips and tricks, and so let's write it here. All right, so I just wrote it here, make a details video with different examples about fitness benefit tips. All right, so you can write it as you want, so no problem. Just click on generate video and you will see it will generating videos. Okay, and just grab your copy and wait and see, because we are preparing your videos. So writing script, recording voiceover, generating background music, finding stock media, and just lots of things out there. Okay, so as a content creator, I loved vid.io because when I create any videos, I have to give voiceover and finding different kind of stock media, you know, different kind of videos, footage from different kind of website. So that should be copyright free. But don't worry, we don't have to spend time to find a different kind of copyright free stock media or music, and we don't have to spend money to hire someone who can write a script and also record a voiceover, because these tools will help you to create whole videos. Already we have the videos here. You can see that's already generated. It's 34.3 seconds and it's tall portrait. So also you can see like a long format video like YouTube, and the ratio is 16:9 ratio. Make sure that if you want to upload into your YouTube as a long format, so you can select YouTube 16:9 ratio. And as we are creating a short video, so definitely we have to select 9:16 ratio. Just click on that, it will automatically sizes. Also you can create TikTok and shorts video is similar. and also you can create Instagram story and reels. So that's mean once you create the shorts video, you can upload into TikTok, the similar, no problem, Instagram reels, no problem, also Facebook story, no problem, and Snapchat. So if you want to upload in your Snapchat, no problem. So click on YouTube shorts video. All right, so here you can see the subtitle over there, and click on subtitle. And if you want to update over there, like if you don't like to, so you can change over there. And the text to speech, that's been the voiceover, it's automatically generated, AI generated content. Here you can see also you can change, this is the Australian language and actor is female, Natasha, no problem, keep it as it is. And different kind of footages over there, and the audio spiritual guideline. So I'm going to delete the audio file, because if I play this video, maybe I get a copyright strike. All right, so all right guys, so our video is ready, so let's check it out. So that's why I'm going to select 16:9 ratio YouTube, but I will show you how you can download short video later, no problem. All right, so let's play the video.
Looking good. It's about feeling great too. Incorporating high-intensity interval training into your routine can boost your metabolism and torch those calories. Don't forget to mix it up with strength training to build muscle and increase your overall strength. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a good stretch that improves flexibility and reduces the risk of injury. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll see the results.
Alright guys, so comment below how's the video. Okay, I really enjoyed and love it. Okay, so let's click on short video and it will resize this. And if you want to download this, the very important part, how we can download this, is it free or not? Okay, so let's check it out. So click on done and you will see the quality. So make sure it's standard, and one subtitle is tick mark. Okay, so make sure it's green. Okay, and here you can say remove watermark. So if you want to remove, so maybe you have to spend some money. So as a beginner, you don't need to remove watermark. It's no problem, just keep it as it is. So click on export video, and this is the last part. We have to wait few seconds. The video is rendering, that's mean it's gonna 100% okay, and then we can download then. All right, so here you can see the download button. So click on download button, and you will see the premium download. So as I said, don't need to premium, so click on MP4. Also you can download MP3 zip, so click on MP4, just it, and you will see your video is downloaded into your device. So already is downloaded over there. So this is how you can create shorts video and you can upload multiple channel. So no problem at all, completely free. You can use their watermark and you can create and download. Okay, so many of you just commenting that it's not a free. It's true, AI isn't free because it's a business. So as a business owner, you always don't want to get it free for everyone. Okay, it's very much understandable. So okay guys, so if you love this content, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with another video. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.